Whether you're organizing gear or clothing, our black hole cubes maximize packing space while keeping small items right where you left them. These cubes got a makeover in the name of better materials with less environmental impact. Delivering the same performance, these abrasion and weather-resistant cubes now feature a recycled TPU-film laminate, giving them their matte finish. It's a big deal to make this switch. In comparison to the non-recycled material, using recycled TPU in our black hole bags decreases our carbon emissions in manufacturing by 91% per kilogram. The 3 different sizes provide options for endless uses. The 3-liter cube is perfect for small items, with a zippered main compartment and interior organization. The 6-liter keeps gear at the ready with 2 mesh zippered compartments. The 14-liter is best for large items and has 2 separate zippered compartments, 1 mesh and 1 taffeta. Exterior daisy chains let you lash the cubes onto fully loaded duffels, and large grab handles make carrying easy. Salty pursuits are a go, thanks to corrosion-resistant plastic zipper sliders. Made in a Fair Trade certified factory, the cubes were designed to fit inside our black hole duffels for streamlined packing. No matter where you're headed, our black hole cubes simplify packing chaos and keep everything in its place.